Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting simple option strategy named called bear put spread. We will go and implement this option strategy in the stock called EXIDE India, and further we will go and see what kind of option strategy we used, why we used, what is the thought process behind that. Everything we will discuss in this video. Before that, if you are just new to this channel, I would ask you go and watch the entire video and leave your comment in the comment section. If you feel in this video will help you in this any way, please go and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So don't waste the time anymore. We will go and begin the session. My name is Shiva Gurunathan. I'm going to with you for the next 15 minutes. Welcome to D Street School, where you can learn and earn. First, let us begin with the historical volatility. The current close price of the EXIDE India is 189.65 paise. This is a previous close, and this is a value that you see the historical volatility level. So let me give you the basic information about the volatility level. So if you would like to have a deep insight about the historical volatility and what is the thought process behind that, how we can go and set up our stop loss by using the volatility, I would recommend you to go and watch my video. I made a separate video for that, and I share the link in the description. Please do watch the video. You will have a better understanding about the historical volatility. Now I will explain how we can go and interpret this data. So where you see the R1 and R2 and S1 and S2, this is not a typical support and resistance that we use in the technical analysis. This is a standard deviation 1 and standard deviation 2. R1 and S1 is the standard deviation 1 range, and R2 S2 is the standard deviation 2 range. In order to understand the layman language, I named it as a R1 and R2 and S1 and S2. So let me tell you how we will interpret this data. So this is the R1, this is S1, this is R2, this is S2. So I can tell you 68% confidently in next 4 days, EXIDE India will trade between the range from 183 to 197. So I can tell you at the confidence of 68%. The remaining, there will be a chances, remaining 32% chances EXIDE India might trade outside of the range, either upside or downside. If in case you don't want to take chance, if you want to increase your confidence level, you can go and opt for standard deviation 2. When you opt for standard deviation 2, I can tell you 95% confident EXIDE India will trade between the 176 rupees to 204. So the remaining very few chances EXIDE India might trade outside of the range. So this is how we go and interpret this data. And also I made it in the percentage. The 4 days EXIDE India historical volatility percentage would be 3.66. I would recommend you go and stick with initially standard deviation 1, because if you go and offer the standard deviation 1 itself, the price difference would be almost 15 rupees. If you go and see the average price movement of the EXIDE India for the last 1 year is averagely 4 rupees 20 paise per day. So that's the reason I would recommend you to go and opt for the standard deviation 1 at beginning stage. So you can also see the option chain, where you can see the option sellers and buyers. So the nearest resistance would be 195. I'm sorry, 190 is the nearest resistance. So if the breach, market will goes to 195, where we can see a few call option sellers. So 180 level, there will be a strong support where we can see put option sellers more in 180 levels. So this is how the data we can understand from the statistical way. Let us go and do the technical analysis. We'll go and predict the market direction, whether EXIDE India is going to be bullish or bearish or flat market, how it's going to be for upcoming trading session. So we'll go and start doing chart analysis. So now what you are seeing on the screen is EXIDE India daily chart. You can see the chart in the previous day we got a huge gap up, and initially market opened at the level of 196. It all the way it reaches the high 204.90, almost 205, but the price again it closes 189.65. So it looked like we have a strong upper wick, which means we have immense selling pressure on that particular side. So as we statistically as we discussed, we have a resistance at 190 and 195 levels. Like that we got a red candles, okay, it like an inverted hammer. So by looking this chart, what we can understand, a market might come down for few points, so we can expect market will come till 180. So by looking this chart, we can expect market will come down 10 points, 180 level. So let us see how it's going to perform on upcoming session. And moreover, you can see all the moving average. It crosses one by one. White color is the 4 days moving average, and orange is 23 days moving average. Pink is 50 days moving average. You could see on the chart that the white color 4 days moving average crosses 23 days moving average and 50 days moving average, which shows the upcoming section would be a bullish. But still, I am expecting market will come down 10 points. So this is my analysis. And moreover, you can also see the momentum which is slowing down, and also the RSI is reached 70 level, but not yet any diversion in the RSI level. So through this chart, what my prediction is, market will come down for a while. So moderate bearish on EXIDE India. So what kind of option strategy we can opt for moderate bearish? So let us go and reveal that secret. We will go and understand what is that strategy all about. We use bear put spread strategy. So when we have moderate bearish about the market, we can opt for bear put spread strategy. That's one of the ideal best strategy I can say. If in case if market goes down, our profit will be fixed. If market works against our prediction, our losses will be limited. Here I used two legs. One is the long put. I selected the strike price at the OTM out of the money. Another one is the short put. I selected the strike price at the money option. So let's go and see how I customized my strategy. So as I said before, I used two strategy. Initially, I opt for long put with the strike price of 192.50, which is the OTM out of the money, by paying the premium of 10 rupees 30 paise. So my target day would be 4 days, and another leg would be a short put. So our strike price would be 190, which is at the money, by receiving the premium of 9 rupees 30 paise. The target would be 4 days. So by calculating, our net debit would be 1 rupee. So it's going to be a 1 rupee. And what is the break even point? Once the price comes below 191.50, we will start booking profit. Our maximum loss would be 1 rupee on premium. Maximum profit would be 1 rupee 50 paise on premium. So on numbers, on rupees, it's 3,600 rupees is a maximum loss. The profit would be 5,400 would be the maximum profit. Our target would be 190. If price reaches 190, we will start booking profit. So the units would be 3,600. So 1 rupees profit, 1 rupee loss on premium, which equal to the units of 3,600. So this is the expected volatility, 3.66% for next 4 days. This is a put call ratio. Call is over than put, which means we can expect the moderate bearish on upcoming days. The current market price would be 189.65. The expiry would be 30 September. So by using this strategy, if price comes to 190 we will book the profit. So let's see how it works on market tomorrow, and you will also have a confusion of 189.65 market. If price comes to 190, how that would happen. So this is how the options works. Once market opens, definitely the price will change. If you go on opt for suggested strike price, I'm sure you will be booking some profit. Let me see how EXIDE India work on upcoming days. This is what I want to tell you. I'm sure you might have a good understanding on it. If in case if you do have any queries, don't hesitate. Please leave your comment in the comment section. I'm glad to clear all your doubts. So if you feel in any way this video helps you enhance your knowledge or make some money in the market, please do like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see on another video. Till then, my name is Shiva Gurunathan.